Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. In today's tutorial, we will be drawing a beautiful silhouette of a hummingbird and flowers using just a pencil. Let's get started. On the right side, sketch several curved lines extending upwards to represent the stems. Draw small ovals and circles along the stems for the flower, birds, and leaves. For the flowers, sketch simple petal shapes around the birds. Draw lightly, sketching a large circle in the center of your paper to represent the sun. This will be your guide for placing the other elements of the drawing. On the left side of the sun, sketch a small oval for the hummingbird's body. Add a smaller circle for the head connected with a thin neck. Draw a long pointed beak extending towards the right. Lightly sketch the wings in a spread position. Using curved lines to create a fan-like shape, sketch the tail with pointed feathers. Go over the outline of a hummingbird with more defined lines, darken the body, head and beak, and add details to the wings and tail feathers, making them more distinct and dynamic. Define the flowers by detailing the petals, make the outlines of the petals bolder and add a bit of texture to the leaves and stem. Once your outlines are complete, shade the hummingbird and flowers completely in black. Use even dark shading to ensure they stand out as silhouettes against the background. Be careful to keep the edges clean and sharp. For a more realistic touch, you can add a bit of shading around the sun to create a slight gradient effect, giving the impression of light and shadow. Once all the elements are in place and you are satisfied with the shading, your beautiful hummingbird and flower silhouette is complete. Thank you for joining this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more art tutorials. Happy drawing!